This stock just exploded over 300% today while the market was getting absolutely crushed from $1 all the way to almost $5 a share here in after hours. And this is how I caught it before it exploded. Now that stock today was THAR, the leading gapper and most obvious stock in the market today. And this is the exact step-by-step process that I use every single day to catch the best entries on the top stocks in the market. Now first things first, THAR was a pre-market gapper this morning, up from $1 all the way to $1.80 in pre-market. So you already know we were watching this. Now the first thing to note here is the double top formed off the high here at $1.82. Not to mention stuck in a downtrend going into market open as well, so I want to see it confirm the upside again. Back up over that 182 high. Well, as long as we had range, which we did. So we wait and wait and wait for price to put in place a bottom over this 182 high, which it does later in the morning, right over here over 190. What you also notice is we have VWAP trailing right beneath price as well, acting as further support. Now what you see happen here after it puts in place that bottom over this 182 high, we begin to form higher lows and higher highs, creating a ascending widening channel. So that means we know where our range is, we know where our risk is. So check this out. See how we have this big wick off the high here? This becomes an area of liquidity, which will mark up just like so, grab this wick off the high and drag it on over. And the entry that I took happened right here. Now what happened here? So what we see happen here is price breaks above this past area of seller, consolidates and knifes back to the downside. And then again, we find buyers here off the pullbacks, again forming this higher low and the bottom of this channel. So this gives us a perfect entry opportunity if this does confirm back above for a simple supply and demand based pivot. So as price is below this zone, it is considered an area of supply. I want to see buyers come back in above. So check this out. Buyers come back in above, break over, we pull back. Now it's an area of demand after price pulls back, confirms back on the pullback. And so entry is right here off the bottom of its trend. Check this out, higher low, and lines up right here, higher low for my defined risk. Then we know for our range, we have room back up here into the 250s because of these past higher highs on top of its channel. And this is exactly how I caught the best entry in the market today on the biggest stock in the market that exploded over 300% today on THAR using a very simple supply and demand based trading strategy. Check this move out right here. Oh my God. Let me know in the comments if you were able to trade this thing today. It was insane and should light the market back on fire. It's actually still exploding as we're talking about it. So to watch me trade stocks just like this in real time every single day, make sure to claim your 7-day free trial and I'll see you guys there.